Have you ever wondered why some people seem rich, but actually aren't? Today, you'll discover the surprising difference between being rich and simply looking rich. Many people buy expensive things to impress others, but after spending everything, there's very little money left. Rich people often do the opposite. Instead of showing off, they quietly save and invest their money. Every dollar has a job. Should it buy something that loses value or something that grows your wealth? Real wealth isn't always visible. It often grows quietly through smart decisions made every single day. Looking rich is all about appearances. It focuses on what other people can see instead of what's really happening behind the scenes. Sometimes expensive lifestyles are built on debt. Fancy things can hide serious financial problems. Building wealth is like growing a tree. Small actions today become something much bigger over time. Rich people often invest in knowledge before they invest their money. Learning helps them make better financial decisions. Every purchase is a choice. You can impress people today or build freedom for your future. Here's something surprising. Two people can earn the same salary but end up with completely different financial futures. The wealthy don't just make money, they give every dollar a purpose. A simple budget keeps spending under control. Real wealth is built one step at a time. Small, consistent progress beats trying to get rich overnight. Time is one of the greatest wealth-building tools. Patient investing often works better than chasing quick profits. Wealth grows from owning assets, not collecting expensive stuff. The goal isn't to own more things. It's to own things that make you money. People who become wealthy often think years ahead. They choose long-term rewards instead of short-term excitement. Saving a little every month may not feel exciting, but over time, those small habits create big results. Looking rich is about appearance. Being rich is about freedom, security, and having choices. The secret isn't earning the biggest paycheck. It's making smarter decisions with the money you already have. Remember, real wealth is built, not bought. If you learned something today, like this video, subscribe for more simple money lessons and start building your future one smart choice at a time.